Alberta is home to many firsts when it comes to reducing emissions in the electricity sector. Today, I'm here on behalf of the Government of Alberta to recognize ENMAX for bringing Canada's first hybrid electric gas turbine to Alberta. Emissions Reductions Alberta provided $7.3 million in funding for this battery storage project through the Industrial Efficiency Challenge. The Government of Alberta knows that technology can help industry reduce emissions and operating costs. That's why funding was delivered through Emissions Reductions Alberta for first-of-a-kind demonstrations and deployment to bring groundbreaking solutions for real emission reductions to our industry. Technology like this will allow the peak power plant in Crossfield to reduce emissions by 45,000 tons annually while providing low-carbon electricity instantaneously to Alberta's electricity grid over peak demand hours, such as dinner time. Innovative battery storage projects such as this have the potential for deep emission reductions all across the grid. I want to congratulate ENMAX for this project, demonstrating how battery storage systems will help shape the future of the electricity industry.